Hey guys, so today I want to talk about something super underrated but crazy powerful for your health. Psyllium Husk. This little fiber is a superhero in your pantry. Whether you're trying to beat bloat, support your gut, or even balance blood sugar, trim the waistline, Psyllium's got your back. And stick around because I'm going to share with you 5 things you need to know before you take it, because yes, there is a wrong way to do it. And also guys, real quick before we get started, it would mean the world to me if you hit the like button down below, subscribe only if you enjoy the content, and turn the bell on to stay up to date with new weekly videos. Psyllium is a soluble fiber derived from the seeds of Plantago ovata, an herb grown mainly in India. It is available in the form of husk, granules, capsules, or powder. Okay, first things first, Psyllium is an absolute game changer for digestion. It's a soluble fiber, meaning it absorbs water and turns into this gel-like texture in your gut. Sounds weird, but here's the magic. It slows things down just enough to help your body absorb nutrients, which also helps keep you regular. A 2022 review found that Psyllium in doses of 10 grams per day for at least 4 weeks was more effective than osmotic or stimulant laxatives for increasing the number of bowel movements per week, which was interesting because mechanistically it pulls water into your colon and adds that gel-like mass, which stimulates peristalsis, those wave-like contractions in your gut, so you're not dependent on it like a laxative. It works with your body, if that makes sense. Secondly, it can help lower LDL. So if you're watching your heart health, Psyllium is a go-to. That gel-like texture that I mentioned, it binds to bile acids in your intestines. Bile acids are made from cholesterol. So when Psyllium grabs them and helps flush them out, your liver pulls cholesterol out of your bloodstream to make more bile. That means lower LDL, and this meta-analysis showed us that subjects who consumed the Psyllium cereal had lower total cholesterol and LDL-C concentrations than subjects who ate a control cereal, which is cool because you get no statin side effects. Thirdly, it feeds the good microbiota in your gut. Because Psyllium isn't just fiber, it's soluble fiber. That means it dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in your gut. Here's where it gets cool. That gel feeds your beneficial gut bacteria like bifidobacteria and lactobacilli. These little guys ferment the fiber and produce short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, which helps reduce inflammation, improve your gut lining, and even support brain health. We talk about that actually in the gut-brain axis video, which I highly encourage you to watch next. It's kind of like giving your gut garden the compost it needs to thrive. The fourth role it plays is that it can help lower inflammation and improve metabolic health. This one is huge. People with insulin resistance, PCOS, or even just fatigue from poor blood sugar control can benefit here. And the studies like this systematic review and meta-analysis of randomized control trials showed that consistent Psyllium intake can lower fasting glucose and insulin and even help with HbA1c over time. And fifthly, it helps with satiety. The gel expands in your stomach, making you feel fuller longer. That means less snacking and fewer cravings. It gives you the sensation of fullness without the added load. All right, now let's talk about how to take it properly, because I'm gonna be real. If you just toss it in water and chuck it without knowing what you're doing, you're gonna have a bad time. So tip number 1, always take it with enough water. This is a biggie. Water is non-negotiable here. Psyllium absorbs like 10 times its weight in water. So if you don't hydrate enough, it can sit in your throat or in your gut, and yeah, no good. Usually do at least 8 to 12 ounces of water with it, stir it, drink it fast, and chase it with a little extra water, and you're done. And as a start, this is a pro tip. Just try drinking a glass of water 3 to 4 times a day in addition to what you normally drink. Tip number 2 is don't go 0 to hero with the dose. Start with half teaspoon once a day and work your way up. Your gut needs time to adjust or you'll feel super bloated. And don't forget to give your microbiome a minute. Tip number 3 is timing it. Psyllium works great when taking before meals for fullness or after meals to help with blood sugar. Just don't take it with medications or supplements. Wait at least an hour before or after because it can interfere with absorption, especially thyroid meds or iron. The next tip has to do with dosing. Common dosages of Psyllium are 5 to 10 grams with meals at least once a day. However, when it comes to fiber, more is not always better. It's important to take it with water and drink it regularly throughout the day. But it is best to follow the dosage instructions on the packaging because each Psyllium supplement will differ a little. And lastly, consistency. Psyllium isn't some overnight miracle. It's a long game fiber friend. You'll see the best benefits when you're using it daily, even if it's just a teaspoon. The problem is the quality of the psyllium though. Always make sure that the supplier you buy it from can show you a certificate of analysis. It'll show heavy metal levels, microbial testing, etc. Certified organic isn't enough. Organic just means no synthetic pesticides were used. It doesn't guarantee the soil or water is free from heavy metals. So you need both, organic and tested for contaminants. This is why it's good to buy from reputable brands that pride themselves on testing. The one by Now Foods, Psyllium Husk, has a reputation for thorough quality control, which I've linked for you down below as an affiliate should you wish to check it out. I'd love to hear your experience with it down below. Bottom line, you don't have to go with that one, but just make sure that the supplement that you're getting is clean. But I'd love to hear your experience with it down below. And in the meantime, check out this video I made on breaking down every type of magnesium supplement. And until then, guys, I'll see you on the next one.